Meet Joanna. During the week, she works full-time as a teacher, but her other passion is being a volunteer firefighter, and she gets to be one every weekend. Joanna recently heard that the Government of Canada offers a tax credit to help her save on her federal taxes. It's called the Volunteer Firefighters Tax Credit and can save volunteer firefighters like Joanna up to $450 on their taxes, providing they have federal tax owing. So how does it work? Volunteer firefighters are eligible for the tax credit if they are volunteer firefighters in the year they are claiming the credit and they have completed a minimum of 200 hours of eligible volunteer firefighting services in the year. What are eligible services? They include responding to calls and being on call as a firefighter, attending meetings held by the fire department, and participating in required training related to the prevention or suppression of fire. Since Joanna has volunteered most weekends in 2015, she has spent a total of 800 hours being on call, attending meetings, fighting a few fires, and rescuing one kitten. Great. Joanna is eligible. Now, how is the credit calculated? All Joanna needs to do is enter $3,000 on line 362 on her Schedule 1 federal tax. Joanna's tax credits are calculated by multiplying the amount claimed by 15% for 2015. For the volunteer firefighter's tax credit, she claimed $3,000, so her tax credit is $450. Are there any restrictions? Volunteer firefighters may be eligible for a separate income tax exemption of up to $1,000. Joanna can't claim both this exemption and the volunteer firefighter's tax credit. She should claim whichever option gets her the most tax savings. To make sure she's not claiming both, Joanna checks her T4 slip as the exemption will be reported in Box 87. If there is an exemption in that box and she is claiming the volunteer firefighter's tax credit, she will have to include the exemption amount with the income she is reporting on line 101 of her return. Either with the exemption or the tax credit, Joanna could save some money on her taxes. And with the money she saves, she can continue to dedicate her time to her community. And this makes her happy. And her kitten is pretty happy too. To find out more about the Volunteer Firefighters Tax Credit or the new Search and Rescue Volunteers Credit, visit www.cra.gc.ca/firefighter-search and rescue.